Welcome to SNAutoLuxury, your trusted destination for premium automotive content, where we bring you the most exclusive insights and detailed reviews of luxury vehicles from around the globe. Today we turn our focus to a machine that redefines the touring experience on three wheels, the Honda Goldwing Trike. This trike is a symbol of performance, comfort, and style, offering a unique ride for long-distance enthusiasts and riders looking for stability without compromising on power or luxury. The Honda Goldwing Trike is based on the legendary Honda Goldwing, a motorcycle that has built a strong reputation for being a luxury touring icon. The transformation into a trike brings an added layer of confidence and control, especially for riders who prefer the security and balance that three wheels offer. Powered by a smooth and commanding 1,833cc flat-six engine, the Goldwing Trike delivers seamless power delivery with plenty of torque that ensures both thrilling acceleration and a relaxed cruising experience. The engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission or a 6-speed manual depending on the variant, providing flexibility for different riding preferences. One of the biggest advantages of the Trike version is its stability. Whether cruising along winding roads or navigating through city traffic, the Honda Goldwing Trike maintains a composed and planted feel. The independent rear suspension system plays a critical role in enhancing ride quality, making it one of the most comfortable options available in the Trike segment. Additionally, the advanced braking system with ABS ensures strong stopping power and safety, even under load or adverse conditions. The exterior of the Honda Goldwing Trike is bold and elegant. Its front fairing is aerodynamic and includes integrated LED lighting that not only enhances visibility but also adds to the aggressive and premium appearance. The rear end of the Trike has been custom designed in most aftermarket kits, often with added trunk space and unique styling that distinguishes it from the two-wheel version. Many conversions are done by established names like Roadsmith or California Sidecar, who specialize in turning the standard Goldwing into a fully functional and stylish trike. On the inside, the Goldwing Trike is packed with technology and creature comforts. It features a full-color TFT screen that controls navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration. The audio system is powerful and clear, allowing riders to enjoy their favorite music even at highway speeds. The seats are plush and designed for long rides, with backrests and armrests available for both the rider and passenger, emphasizing the tour-oriented nature of the Trike. Storage is another strong suit of the Honda Goldwing Trike. The trunk space in the rear and saddlebags provide ample room for luggage, helmets, and travel essentials. This makes it ideal for cross-country adventures or extended road trips, allowing riders to travel in luxury without compromise. The electronic windshield, cruise control, heated grips, and seats further enhance the riding experience by allowing personalization and comfort across all weather conditions. When it comes to handling, the Goldwing Trike feels surprisingly agile for its size. It corners smoothly, and while it doesn't lean like a two-wheeler, the ride remains enjoyable and engaging thanks to the responsive steering and balanced weight distribution. The added safety of three wheels is a significant confidence booster for many riders, especially those new to trikes or transitioning from traditional motorcycles. Whether you are a touring veteran or a rider looking for a dependable and luxurious alternative to two-wheel motorcycles, the Honda Goldwing Trike delivers a premium experience that few can match. Its powerful engine, unmatched comfort, advanced features, and unique style make it a standout in the world of touring trikes. For more reviews and in-depth automotive content like this, don't forget to subscribe to SNAutoLuxury and stay updated with the finest in vehicle innovation and performance.